So, a short update on the ICL ergoPRO machine. I got a matching keyboard and mouse, so it's good, but there's one annoying thing, and that's with the SpeedSys application. It complains about that it cannot allocate 4 MB of XMS memory. So, and yeah, the application starts, but there is some garbled graphics also. So I don't know, maybe that has to do with the missing memory, or yeah. So I thought that I would add some extra RAM to this computer. So I found exactly the right memory for this machine on eBay, but from a place called Electromine in Germany. There's a link in the description. So let's install some RAM memory and let's see what happens. So to get to the memory modules, I have to remove some parts first. So there they are. There are 4 memory slots free. So let's look at an old original memory module. It's a 80 nanoseconds memory, and yeah, the old one is to the left, the new one is to the right, and it looks pretty much the same. 81C1000-80. So there, yeah, that should work. It already detected 7 megabytes of extended memory, but yeah, it didn't enter BIOS. So yeah, this ICL machine, you can reboot it with Control Alt and F12 for a hard reboot. Let's see. Yes, there it says base memory 640K, extended memory, yeah, 7 megabytes. So in total 8 megabytes of RAM, so that's good. So let's try SpeedSys again. Let's see. Yeah, check memory. Yeah, there's 7 megabytes free there. So SpeedSys. Yeah, now it just starts without complaining. But the graphics is still garbled. Okay, so that didn't help. Yeah, you can quit the application, but it looks very strange. So maybe it has to do with this VGA card. So I started the Visa driver. Try again, but no, the same garbled video output. So Yeah, that RAM memory upgrade was pretty unnecessary. Yeah, I tried some command line options to SpeedSys disable some tests and so on, but yeah, still the same results. So yeah, in any case, the computer looks nice now, and yeah, it has double the amount of RAM, so I can at least edit this little text file. Yeah, type in 8 megs of RAM there. That's it. I will run some memory Norton Diagnostics tests on the memory just to check that it's okay. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Too bad it didn't help with SpeedSys, but yeah, I got more RAM. So yeah, that's it.